After more than 3 years of legal disputes, a federal jury sided with the Chula Vista Police Department. A complete shock to the victims' loved ones who say they're still trying to process what happened.
I'm not sure if justice has been served. I feel numb.
Family members of Oral Nunis are in disbelief tonight after a federal jury found Chula Vista police officers were not responsible for the 56-year-old's death back in 2020.
We were expecting a different outcome. Right now, I'm just trying to process what just happened, and I'm just trying to deal with the grief.
Roxy Nunis is Oral's wife, who was present inside the courtroom alongside other family members.
It's been a long 4 years, and I don't understand the verdict.
Nunis' daughter called 911 on March 12, 2020 to get help for her dad who was having a mental health crisis. When officers arrived, they tried placing Nunis in handcuffs. He's seen telling officers he'd go with them on police body camera video, but that he doesn't want to be put in handcuffs.
Okay, no handcuff, please. Daddy, I'm going to go with you. Okay,
moments later, the officer's body camera shuts off. Police say Nunis rushed out of the home and had to be tackled. Body cam video from the second officer shows there was a struggle. Officers eventually placed Nunis in handcuffs and restraints. Video shows he's held down by a knee on his shoulder. After being loaded onto the ambulance, paramedics had to perform CPR after Nunis went into medical distress. He was later pronounced dead at Sharp Chula Vista Medical Center. CBS 8 spoke with his daughter last year, who said she never imagined her call for help would lead to her father's death.
That one call changed my whole life, and I have to live with it every day. Because if I didn't call, he would be here with me, taking care of his kids.
In a statement, the city of Chula Vista told CBS 8 that the verdict finds that the city is not liable for the tragic death of Mr. Oral Nunis. And while they believe the outcome reached is just and that Chula Vista's police officers acted lawfully and reasonably, the Nunis family's loss is heartbreaking. But Nunis' wife says she believes her husband died from excessive force used to restrain him.
The 911 call was made to get help. It wasn't for a murder sentence. He didn't ask to die, he asked for help. With all the facts that were there, with the brain damage, I just don't understand how they formulate their decision that there was no force used when there was clearly excessive force used.
Nunis says she and her family will continue to fight for justice. Rocio de la Fe, CBS 8.
Thanks, Rocio. It is not yet clear whether Oral Nunis' family will appeal today's decision.